In this video, I'll guide you on how to use the position tool for sizing in Tradingview to manage your trading positions effectively. Start by visiting tradingview.com and signing into your account to access the platform's comprehensive features. Once logged in, head to the chart section, where you'll find detailed market trend visualizations essential for informed trading decisions. Focus on the left side panel and click on the long position icon. Establishing a long position involves expecting an asset's value to rise. Next, select the short position to plan for a potential decrease in an asset's value. To set up your trade, click once on the chart to determine your entry level, the price point at which you plan to enter the trade. Drag the top handle to define your take profit level, specifying the price at which you'll sell the asset to realize profits. Similarly, adjust the bottom handle to set your stop loss, a critical step to minimize losses if the market turns against you. Customize your position further by clicking on the settings icon. Here, you can modify inputs like the asset quantity and adjust the style and visibility of trade indicators. This customization allows you to align the visual aspects and data inputs with your trading strategy. Once satisfied, click OK to apply these settings. To add another position, return to the left side panel and click the long position icon again. Set your entry level, then drag the handles to configure your take profit and stop loss levels. Access the settings again for any adjustments or customizations necessary on inputs, styles, and visibility. Confirm your choices by clicking OK. If you need to remove a position, right-click on it and a prompt will appear, allowing you to select Remove. This feature lets you swiftly adapt your trading strategy as market conditions change. By following these steps on how to use the position tool for sizing in Tradingview, you can efficiently manage trading positions, equipping yourself with the tools to respond to market movements and align with your trading objectives. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!